Potato gnocchi recipe. Pressure cook 1 kilo potatoes for 1 whistle and 8 minutes. In a pan, add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Add 2 bay leaf. Add a quarter grated nutmeg. Add 1 diced onion. Add salt per taste. Add 1 teaspoon freshly ground pepper. Add 1 teaspoon sugar. Cook till onion turns transparent. Take the bay leaf out and blend. I have added 1 can of Urban Platter canned tomatoes. Add 1 can of water too. Add the blended onion. Add 2 teaspoons freshly ground black pepper. Mix well. Cover with the lid and let it simmer. Add 1 tablespoon dried oregano. Add 4 to 5 fresh basil leaves. Simmer for 5 minutes. Check and add salt if required. Peel the potatoes and mash it. I have used a potato ricer. Took around 5 minutes. Add 100 grams of TP00 flour. Add 1 grated nutmeg. Add 2 teaspoons of freshly ground pepper. Add salt per taste. Start kneading it. Add some more flour to hold shape. Knead the dough. It needs to hold shape. Divide the dough into 6 parts. Dust a counter and transfer the dough. Roll it into a log and cut. Boil 3 liters of water. Add the gnocchi. When they float onto the top, they are cooked. Remove it. In a bowl, add 2 to 3 ladles of the pasta sauce. Add the cooked gnocchi. I added 5 to 6 per bowl. Add some more sauce on top. Grate fresh parmesan on top. Add some pitted green olives. Garnish with fresh basil leaves. Serve hot. Thank you for watching, and as always, like, share and subscribe.